After a quick Red Rock Secured review of their offer, background, and staff, I'm very impressed by this organization. Their Better Business Bureau rating is excellent and the reviews about them on Consumer Affairs are more than stellar. As a matter of fact, their customers seem to praise them universally, which is why I'm giving them my full recommendation. Only 2% of the companies achieved this rating. Before really diving into our review of this company, it's important to get to know them better by finding out more about what they offer. Red Rock Secured is a company with private ownership located in California in the southern part of the state. They claim that their biggest and most important goals are to educate their customers and provide top-notch customer service. They also claim to value honesty and integrity over anything else. On their website, they share links to a number of different trusted review sites on the internet including Trustpilot, the Better Business Bureau, and the Business Consumer Alliance. I went down a rabbit hole, like I do when I evaluate any of the top gold IRAs, and I found Red Rock Secured reviews to be spectacular. This company has an honest approach, integrity, and plays by the rules. Bonus: Red Rock Secured's home delivery IRA is what sets them apart from the competition. This means you can actually take physical delivery of your metals and store them in a safety deposit box at your nearest bank, assuming you follow a few rules. Many people refer to this as a home storage gold IRA. This is something many gold investors have asked for, and thanks to their home delivery program, you can do that. Their team of gold and silver educators can walk you through the steps to set up a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold precious metals and other non-traditional assets securely and privately. This company really goes out of their way with lots of big talk about their values and company policies. They claim that their company has many gold and silver educators with years of experience, who can help current and future customers understand the industry revolving around precious metals. They also claim that they will provide guidance and support through every step of the process. If you call the company, at least according to what they say, you'll receive many insights on portfolio diversity that can help you achieve your personal retirement goals. I'm happy to report that my personal call with Red Rock Secured was in line with their marketing. This company is first class all the way. They also tell us that protection is another one of their biggest values as an organization. They even go so far as to provide a price protection plan covering you if the price of gold or silver declines within 7 days of your purchase. Red Rock Secured will cover the difference in more precious metals, on qualified accounts. Red Rock Secured Price Protection. Another huge value that they offer is the price protection. This means that when you invest in qualified gold or silver, Red Rock Secured will pay you the difference should the price go down within 7 days of your purchase. The company offers a wide array of educational resources in a fairly large database. They teach their customers about the overall precious metals industry, the history regarding a number of different products and their prices, portfolio diversification information, and historical price data amongst other things. They also believe and state that taking care of their clients is one of their biggest values. They even claim to have a much bigger interest in the well-being of their customers as opposed to making additional sales. Taking it a step further, they say that they aren't successful unless their clients achieve success as well. Diversification is the last important value shared on their website. The company says that if you truly want to protect your wealth, you may want to consider asset diversification. Precious metals IRA accounts. Just like a number of other organizations, Red Rock Secured has their main focus on precious metals IRAs and retirement accounts. You can use the money in your account to purchase precious metals with IRS approval to grow your wealth for retirement. There are rules and regulations that must be followed, and paperwork must be filled out. Plus your metals must remain stored in an IRS-approved storage facility. For many new investors, this often feels overwhelming. Choosing a storage depository and a custodian isn't always the easiest thing to do. And finding the best broker to work on your behalf is also a daunting task. Let's not even think about possible difficulties of setting up your account and initiating an IRA rollover or transfer. Red Rock is a company designed to help with these very issues. Their website is not filled with tons of financial information regarding the gold IRA setup process. They want you to call them instead to find out more about setting up your account. Most investors have a list of questions, like I did, and the phone call is something that provides serious value. It's also free. Their custodial partners are all licensed, which is important. And during the account creation process, they will work with you to roll over your 401k or transfer funds from another retirement account into your new precious metals IRA. Some investors may frown on the way they talk about stocks. They call them uncertain paper assets. There may be some technical truth to this statement, but they're claiming that stocks are a worse investment than precious metals. But truthfully, all financial experts recommend only investing a small portion of your wealth into precious metals as a hedge against inflation and other potential market downturns. If you take a look at your stock portfolio the last several months, and compare performance to precious metals, it's hard to argue that stocks are safe right now. I've hit on the FDIC bank closures, and how they are affecting the market. It's downright scary. After your account is open and funded, they will assign you a precious metals expert that will provide you advice and help you get started. They will share precious metals insights, help you achieve your goals, and provide their best recommendations. The great thing about a precious metals IRA is you fully control your account, which is different from a traditional IRA that's managed by an investment specialist. No one will be there to tell you if you are making a bad investment choice. And Red Rock doesn't suffer any losses when you make an investment mistake, so keep this in mind. Irs Tax Loopholes. Red Rock provides its customers with information on how to establish a self-directed IRA that can legally hold precious metals and other non-traditional assets. One of the biggest advantages is the opportunity to transfer assets without having to suffer by paying penalties. As an example, if you own bonds and stocks, you can convert these investments into precious metal IRA without suffering an early withdrawal penalty. The company is implying that it can be beneficial to diversify a percentage of your savings into a precious metals IRA. They also advise potential customers to consult with their financial advisors to see what makes the most sense for their retirement goals. Red Rock talks about privacy and security. They claim to work with the largest private depositories in the country, such as Brinks and the Delaware Depository, giving customers the flexibility to select a location that is most ideal to them. Precious metals storage. Red Rock works with a variety of depositories across the country to offer their self-directed IRA clients an option to store their metals in a top-tier depository with state-of-the-art security. Clients have the option to select their preferred location and are reassured that their metals will be insured by Lloyd's of London for up to $1 billion. Documentation is also provided to clients to verify ownership of each piece of metal in their IRA. Red Rock Secured. Is it a scam? When first looking at this company, it doesn't appear that they have anything to hide. Their rating with the Better Business Bureau is an A+, which is the best rating available. And they have excellent reviews on Consumer Affairs and the BBB website. As I said earlier, Red Rock Secured is not a scam. It's a very reputable company and one I highly recommend. I even compare them to Goldco. Red Rock Secured pros and cons. Red Rock Secured pros. 1. They have been in business for many years. 2. They are highly educational and well informed about how market conditions can impact your money. 2. They strive to help customers invest in gold and silver with confidence and help safeguard their assets during these trying times. Red Rock Secured cons. 1. I'm still looking for one other than the Red Rock Secured fees aren't clearly stated. Bottom line. I highly recommend working with Red Rock Secured if you are looking to invest in precious metals. Best Gold IRA Companies 2023. Red Rock Secured really stood out to me because they 1. Take the time to provide an educational approach, seeking to help their customers get all questions answered and make decisions that best fit their financial goals. 2. No high-pressure or gimmicky sales tactics. Come across as knowledgeable, friendly and like you're working with a local family-owned business. 3. They have a processing department that helps guide clients through the process every step of the way. This is unique and important because transferring funds from a retirement account into a self-directed IRA can include many steps. Right pointing arrow. They break this down for you and guide you through so that it feels simple and easy. 4. Free Wealth Protection Kit. With loads on information on investing in precious metals for beginners and seasoned investors. 5. Free Global Gold Report. Featured in 2023 Fortune Magazine Investor's Guide. Unique to other gold companies in that this annual report provides a data-packed look at the macroeconomic trends and their impact on the dollar. Pros. 1. Thousands of 5-star reviews across the leading sites including an A+ BBB rating, Trustpilot, Consumer Affairs. 2. Featured in Fortune's 2023 Investors Recession Guide. 3. Highest-ranked gold IRA company on the 2022 Inc. 5000 list. 4. Proudly offer 100% free shipping and insurance so you can invest with confidence. 5. Customers enjoy price protection that gives upside benefit and downside shield. 6. Dedicated customer care that is by your side every step of the way. 7. Offer free educational webinars and one-to-one consultations. Cons. 1. Product prices are not listed on their website. Again, this is one of the few companies I fully endorse, so get a free consult and make sure you are ready for what's ahead in this turbulent global economy.